Jesus can give you that invitation for salvation. And Charles Spurgeon, the great pastor of the Metropolitan Tabernacle in London, said, if you perish, it will not be for a lack of invitations to heaven, but because you refuse to accept them. And so the question I must ask is, have you accepted that invitation? Because if you haven't, by not accepting it, you have rejected it. And so there have been people all throughout our ministry over the last 9 years that have accepted, hundreds of people who've accepted the invitation to God's grace. But once you've accepted that, then number 2, we must express heartfelt worship to God. And this is seen in verse 6 of chapter 19 of Revelation. It says, and I heard, as it were, the voice of a great multitude, many waters and thunderings, saying, Hallelujah, for the Lord omnipotent reigneth, and the marriage of the supper of the Lamb is come. Hallelujah. What does the word hallelujah mean? It literally means praise be to Yahweh. Yahweh is the covenant God.